Mastering ACT Science, Eliminating Wrong Choices. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most effective strategies to conquer the ACT Science section: eliminating incorrect answer choices. This approach will not only help you improve your accuracy, but it can also save you precious time during the test. Every second counts when taking the ACT. Sometimes, it might seem daunting to find the right answer among the choices. But what if we flip the narrative? Instead of looking for the correct answer right away, we focus on identifying and eliminating the wrong ones. By doing this, you 1. Reduce the number of options to consider. 2. Increase your chances of selecting the correct answer. 3. Potentially save time which can be used on other questions. The ACT is known for its tricky options. Some choices are designed to distract or mislead you. Here are a few common traps. 1. Irrelevant information. These choices might contain terms or data not related to the question. 2. Extreme words. Words like always, never, or all can make an option incorrect in the context of scientific reasoning. 3. Half-right choices. They might have a part of the information correct, but not entirely. Be cautious. Here's a systematic way to approach each question. 1. Read the question carefully. Understand what's being asked. 2. Before checking options, try to predict an answer based on your understanding. 3. Cross out any choice that doesn't align with the information given or seems irrelevant. 4. Look for those extreme words or any inconsistency with the data provided. 5. If you're left with 2 options and you're unsure, take an educated guess. Remember, there's no penalty for wrong answers on the ACT. The best way to master this strategy is through consistent practice. Here's a tip. While practicing, actively vocalize why you're eliminating each choice. This not only helps in internalizing the process but also aids in quicker decision-making during the actual test. Eliminating incorrect choices isn't just about improving accuracy. It's about playing smart, saving time, and enhancing your decision-making skills. Keep practicing this strategy and, with time, it will become second nature. We hope this video has illuminated a clear path for you. Until next time, happy studying and best of luck with your ACT preparation.